Ditch the payroll headaches and keep your small business finances in check with the power of Excel. Today, we're diving into how to build your own payroll system right inside Microsoft Excel. While it's manual, it's a budget-friendly way to manage employee wages, deductions, and taxes. First, let's set up our worksheet. Create columns for essential information like employee name, hourly rate, and hours worked. This is the foundation for our calculations. Now for the magic. In the wages column, enter a formula to calculate gross pay. Multiply the hourly rate by the hours worked. So, if your hourly rate is in cell B2 and hours worked in C2, the formula would be B2 times C2. Next, let's tackle deductions. Create columns for things like federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. You'll need to research the current tax rates for your region. Calculate deductions using formulas based on those rates. For example, to calculate federal income tax, you might multiply the wages in cell D2 by a tax rate of 15%. Finally, calculate net pay by subtracting all deductions from the gross wages. Add a net pay column. The formula would be the wage amount minus federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. To save time, look online for pre-made Excel payroll templates. Many offer a great starting point. Remember to customize them to fit your specific business needs. Excel gives you the flexibility to create customized payroll reports to summarize data by employee, deduction type, or any other category that's important to you. Keep in mind, this method requires manual data entry. Cell accuracy is key. Double-check all entries to avoid errors. With a bit of setup and careful attention to detail, Excel can be a powerful and cost-effective payroll solution for your small business.